In 2026, people are not getting rich by working harder. They're getting rich by owning the right machines. No employees, no long working hours, no complex factories. Today, I'll show you 5 real industrial machines that are already generating income right now, and why smart investors are buying machines instead of building traditional businesses. This is not motivation. This is not theory. These machines already exist. They already operate, and they already make money. I'll explain exactly what each machine does, who pays for the service, how it operates, and why factories and investors are putting money into these systems today. Watch carefully. This video is built for clarity, not hype. Machine number 1, AI Smart Vending Machine, highest ROI/lowest operational complexity. An AI smart vending machine is essentially a mini automated store. Instead of buttons or barcode scanners, this machine uses computer vision, weight sensors, and AI product recognition. The customer opens the machine, takes the products they want, and the system automatically identifies the items and processes payment in real time. No staff, no cashier, no human error. Who buys from it? Office workers, students, gym members, hospital visitors. These are repeat customers, not one-time buyers. Approximate machine cost, $2,500 to $3,000. Why it makes money? It operates 24/7. Electricity costs are low. Inventory is monitored remotely. And scaling is simple. You add machines, not employees. This machine works because it turns small daily purchases into predictable automated income. Machine number 2, autonomous coffee kiosk machine. High demand/strong daily cash flow. Now let's move to a machine where cash flow is daily, not monthly. Coffee is one of the most stable consumer markets in the world. Demand doesn't disappear, it only changes location. This machine fully automates the coffee process. Grinding, brewing, milk handling, and cup serving. Everything is software controlled. The customer selects a drink and the machine prepares it step by step with the same quality every single time. Best locations: shopping malls, metro stations, business centers, universities. Approximate machine cost, $5,000 to $7,500. Why investors like it? High margin per cup, no salaries, no sick days, works nights, weekends, and holidays. One machine can serve hundreds of drinks per day with zero staff dependency. Machine number 3, mobile, EV, charging machine, service-based income/future-proof. Electric vehicles are growing faster than charging stations. This machine is not fixed. It goes exactly where demand exists. The unit stores energy internally and provides charging on demand, in parking lots, events, or emergency situations. Who pays for it? EV owners, fleet operators, event organizers. Approximate machine cost, $2,500 to $3,000. Why this machine matters now? Charging infrastructure is lagging behind demand. Pricing is flexible. Deployment is mobile. This is not a retail machine. It's a service machine. And income comes from one thing: convenience. Machine number 4, smart ice vending machine. Low risk/simple logic/constant demand. Ice demand is boring, and that's exactly why it works. Restaurants, events, and outdoor activities need ice every single day. This machine produces ice, stores it, and sells it automatically. Best locations: fishing zones, gas stations, event areas. Approximate machine cost, $3,000 to $5,000. Why it's stable: simple technology, low maintenance, repeat customers. This is not a fast growth business. It's a quiet, consistent machine that runs on constant demand. Machine number 5, automated flower vending machine, emotion-based impulse sales. This machine doesn't sell flowers. It sells timing. People buy flowers when shops are closed, when time is limited, or when emotions take over. Flowers are stored, cooled, and sold automatically. Best locations: hospitals, airports, city centers. Approximate machine cost, $3,000 to $5,000. Why it works: high price per item, emotional buying decisions, no staff, small machine, strong margins. Final analysis. These machines succeed because they reduce three things: labor, complexity, operational risk. They don't guarantee success, but they remove the biggest reasons businesses fail. If one of these machines made sense to you, write its number in the comments. I'll create a full breakdown video explaining real costs, setup mistakes, and where each machine actually works and where it doesn't. This channel focuses on real machines, real systems, and real industrial opportunities. If you want clear analysis without exaggeration, you're in the right place. More detailed videos are coming, one machine at a time.